Forgive me. I beg you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Please remember, to err is woman, and to forgive is divine.
Joe, you even know that verse? I don't know say you sabi Bible, but I pleaded and pleaded. Joe, you refused to forgive me.
See, I've been having this thing inside of me for a very long time now. And I've been thinking, I don't know who to help me. I don't know who to run to. And I know if I come to you, at least I'll get something positive.
Just say it. What is it?
See, you know I love you so much.
Yeah, I know.
I know you're the best thing that has happened to me.
Talk now.
See, I need 10,000 naira.
Eh?
Yes.
10,000 naira?
No.
Hey. I don't have 10,000 naira.
No, my love. See, this money that I'm looking for, it's for our own good though. You know, I was telling you about our marriage plans and that I want to plan a very... You understand now?
Please now, I don't have 10,000 naira. You know how this market is. No sales. Okay now. I will give you 5,000 for my savings.
5,000?
Now.
It's good though, but see, this 10,000, you know, I'm looking at a very big wedding in this village, like the biggest wedding. So I want to start planning with my friends. You understand? Yes, now, you know now. So just bring, if you have I know you have 10,000. Go and bring it for me.
I don't want 10,000, Abi.
Just 10,000.
I'll give you 10,000.
You give me 10,000.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hey, gifty.
Leave me.
Gifty.
You like money?
Gifty. Shake it for me. Oh, more 10K. Once. Hey. Oh my, good to find. Good to be fine boy. At least we're taking out 2 short games now. We'll double up. Hey, my love.
Joe, this is 10,000. Count it.
10,000. You're gonna have 1 year, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, 10,000 naira, oh, baby. You see, you're the best, though. You're the best in this village. Thank you.
You know I suffered before getting this 10,000. So know how to use that money.
Don't worry now. Trust me. I will use it well. I will use it very diligent. I will not even spend it anyhow. Before I spend 900, I will tell you. Okay. You understand? I will tell you the balance, you know. Before you know like this, 1 month, the 10K is still available. Don't worry, I will spend it well. Even if I want to take 200 from here, I will call you that, baby, I've taken 200, it's remaining 9,008. You know, before you know. There's this money I need. I just need 5K from you. There's something I want to do with it, you know. I just want to solve, make a chat 1 or 2 clients, make a know how far now.
5K? True. I don't have 5K. I don't have 5K. Wow. I've told you to look for something to do. Learn trade at least. All this give me 5K, give me 10K, give me 2K. Look at my shop now. My shop is down.
Wait, Gifta, are you insulting me? Are you insulting me or what? Because I asked you for 5K, you're insulting me. I mean, just hold it there. 5K, just bring 1K, 2K, 3K, 5 pieces. You're insulting me. Don't even try it. Joe,
I'm not insulting you. I'm trying to give you a piece of advice.
Don't give me that stupid advice. I don't need it. I'm a graduate. Have you forgotten? Nobody advises a graduate.
I know you're a graduate. Just look for something doing, so that it can help you.
That's your 5K. I don't want it again. Keep it to yourself. Give it to yourself.
I'll give you the 5K. I'll give you the 5K.
I don't want it.
Now I'll give you the 5K.
Don't beg me for love.
Joe! I didn't insult him now. Hey, did I insult him? I just gave him a piece of advice. Okay, come, I'll give you the money.
What are you doing here?
I called severally. You didn't pick up, so I have to come check on you. I brought you food.
Why are you calling me? Must you call me? So you're here to insult me as usual, Koya?
No. I brought you food.
You brought me food. God. Joe, you have suffered. You have suffered. So now I am Joe the puppy. No. Anytime you just feel like you prepare food and bring for me because you know I'm a hungry person.
No.
Is that what you're saying?
Please, no. It didn't start today now. I used to bring food for you. Please don't get mad at me.
I don't want the food. Take it back.
Please come inside and eat there.
Yeah, we're ready to. Hey. Sorry.
Leave me off.
I'm sorry. Why is it funny? Sorry. I don't know why would you just fall like that now. That's small thing I touched you. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go inside.
Leave me.
Sorry.
Leave me.
I am sorry. Let's go inside. Sorry. I'm sorry now. Sorry. Sorry now. Let's go inside. It's okay. You stop crying now. I'm not going to stop crying. Go. It's okay now. Stop crying. It's okay now. It's not paining me.
It's paining me.
But when we are doing that inside, you are not shouting. Calm down. Don't stop. You don't stop. Why you?
It's paining me.
Hey!
Sammy Sachs.
What's up now?
I'm fine.
I'm all out this now. Just the house.
Now, you're on a day.
I tell you.
Since 1 week now, I've not eaten. Look at me now.
Since 1 week, you never eat.
I never eat.
Now you no die. My brother, food no deal. Here no be mama put now. Me and my woman we just day. We just say more chill.
They tell you something.
What is it?
I think I still have something inside that food flask. Don't worry. Let me bring something.
Say something there, food flask. Go bring them.
Come in there.
My guy, smile now. Smile now.
For you. Why I take even no say food they serve? You just the waka, your nose will the long. You just the perceive food from people's houses. You just come my house, you know say food. The how you take no.
I'll be your guy now. Where you want me to go?
He's supposed to come tomorrow. That's our appointment.
I come tomorrow in 2 weeks now.
You carry spoon there.
Now they don't carry my spoon.
No, they had you now. Let me say go chow.
Hello, young lady.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
How's business?
Oh, thank God.
Let me help you. Okay.
Don't worry.
Right.
Now, what do you want?
2 bottle water, please.
Okay, water.
Yes. Oh.
Here's the water.
All right. Thank you. How much is it?
It's 100 naira, sir.
Okay. Sorry, that's 200.
Thank you, sir. Let me get you change.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. I don't have change. I don't have money.
No, you don't need to worry about yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Please, what is your name?
Gift, sir.
Gift. All right, Gift. Take care of yourself.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right. All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Who is there? Anybody in?
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please don't call me sir. My name is Ima.
Okay. Yeah. Please, what do you want?
Water, please.
Okay, water.
And can I at least sit down?
Okay, no problem. You can sit.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
That is water, sir.
Thank you.
Oh.
Gift.
Sir.
There is something I've been wanting to talk to you about.
Okay. No problem. What is it?
Can you at least give me the chance to talk to you?
You can say it.
All right, thank you. I've been watching you closely for the past few weeks, and I've also asked questions about you, and everybody says you are a good and hard-working person.
Thank you, sir.
Don't mention. See, I like you, and I want us to be friends. Good friends, I mean. See, I promise I will never let you down. See, let's cut it short. Let's cut the long story short. Gift. I want to date you.
Date, what? Which one is date again?
You know what I'm talking about. See, let's talk about this thing somewhere more convenient and conducive. Somewhere we can relax, chill, eat something, drink, and have fun. Why not me take you out later in the evening?
No, I can't go out with you. Besides, I don't know you.
Come on. I mean no harm to you. You know that. See, trust me, you won't regret it. Is that a yes?
I didn't say so.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, sir.
And I'll see you later in the evening.
Okay.
All right? All right, thank you so much. You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Ima?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you all right?
I'm okay.
You're sure? Well, I told you I'll be back this evening to come take you out. Are you ready?
Is it now?
Oh, of course, yes, now.
Please, you're not going to waste time.
Oh, no. We make it break.
Okay, now. Just wait, let me pack.
This?
Yes.
Let me help you then. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
now Gift is now a big girl. Eh? She now closes her shop anytime she likes. Wait oh. Gift is now seeing another man. In this village. Gift with another man. From nowhere. Hey! So after all this packaging and after everything I don't do for this girl, another man will just come and start. See Gift oh. Somebody that I met that was like after I give her the graduate stage now, she don't do package, get full figure 8. One man from nowhere will just come and start flexing her. Eh? Because I gave her a graduate style. Gift that cannot mourn on bed. I was teaching her how to mourn, how to scream. Now get So now I'll be monkey, I go to walk, babu go to chop. I go to walk, bab. No problem. Voila. No wahala. So now, I go to walk, babu go to chop. Enjoy, fine boy. We'll see. No wahala.
Come on now. Joe, pick call. Hi. Why is he not picking my call? Pick call.
Came to see me. You cheap prostitute. Are you mad? Why did you come to my house?
What did I do?
Ah.
I don't know.
You want to know what you did?
I don't know.
Fine, I will tell you. Who were you with yesterday?
I went out.
You went out? With who?
Someone.
I caught you. I saw you. I was at your shop yesterday. I saw you holding a man. You guys were romancing each other. You even closed. On a normal day, you don't close like that. You even close your shop permanently and walked with him. You guys were walking majestically, romantically, and you're enjoying yourself with him. Listen, I'm not done. After enjoying yourself with him yesterday, he have arrested you. You left yesterday, full yesterday, and now you're here to tell me nonsense.
Calm down, let me explain.
Explain what?
Let me explain, please. See. Yes, I went out, but...
Oh, fine. You went out. Eh? In fact, leave my house.
Joe, calm down now.
I said leave my house this minute at the count of 3. 1.
Joe, I'm sorry now.
2.
I'm sorry.
This idiot. Problem. I'll make money. I'll make money. But he has what he needs
What's the problem? Why is your face like this?
Is he not your friend, Joe? I went to his house yesterday to see him. He pushed me out of his house.
Wait. Joe pushed you out of his house. Why?
Yes. He said he saw me holding hands with one guy yesterday.
Why will you do such a thing now?
Yes, it's true. I went out with one guy. He promised me heaven and earth, but I rejected him because of your friend. And after then, I left there and I started calling your friend. He rejected my call. I have to go to his house to find out the reason he's rejecting my call. But he pushed me out of his house and said I shouldn't come back to his house again. He doesn't want to see me ever again.
Joe. What is wrong with Joe now? See, Gift, you have to calm down, okay? I'll talk to him.
Yeah. You talk to him?
Yes, I will.
Please.
I will.
Please talk to him.
I will. Calm down. He's my friend. I'll talk to him, okay?
Please. I love your friend so much. I cannot even think of cheating on him.
I know now. I know.
Please help me beg him.
I will talk to him, okay?
You will. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Don't worry. See, have a seat. Let me get something for you.
No. I'm okay. I don't have appetite for anything.
Okay, let me get you water then.
No, I don't need water. Please. Let me start going.
Okay now.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Please,
I will. Don't worry.
How are you?
Okay, I'm even feeling sleepy.
This one you're in my house and you're feeling sleepy. Go to your house now.
And what for you? Are you sending me away? Yeah, lest I forget. What about your girl, Gift? Have you people reconciled?
Gift. That girl is past tense. I am done with her. Can you imagine? I saw this girl with a guy in a house. Both of them were happily smiling at each other, walking romantically. They were even holding hands. That girl is cheating on me. After everything I've done for her, after the love we shared. In fact, I can't believe that Gift, Gift now, when we started dating now, the way she was now, like I was the one that reformed Gift to that shape. I was the one that gave her that limelight. Guy, that girl is a bad girl. I am done with her. I don't want to have anything to do with her again. She's a shit.
Joe, calm down. Calm down. You saw Gift with a man. Does not mean anything to me. It could be maybe just a friend holding hands. Does not mean she's cheating on you.
What are you talking about? Have you been to the 4 walls of university?
Me?
I'm a graduate. I know when a girl is cheating or not. I know about village girls, I know about city girls, I know about their lives. So any girl that is cheating, I know. She's cheating on me, and that's because I don't have money.
Wait, okay. You go study relationship for university.
I know about everybody. I know when one is serious or not. So we just forget about her.
Gift is serious.
She's not.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
Yo, please listen to me, please.
Joe, please. Hear her out.
You're the one that brought her here, right?
Me? Not me and you there here since morning.
Yo, please listen to me. Yes, I went out with a guy, but nothing happened though. Nothing happened. He promised me heaven and earth if I agreed to marry him. But I rejected his offer because I love you.
You love who?
I love you.
Who loves you? I don't love you. I am done with you. This relationship is over.
Joe.
Go and meet the guy you're holding hands with. I am done. Leave my house.
Joe.
Please,
I said leave my house.
I can't
Joe.
cheat on you, please,
Joe, calm down. Joe.
Joe, please.
Joe.
Please, help me talk to Joe. Help me beg him. I love him so much.
It's okay, I know. I've spoken to him before, and I'll speak to him again, okay?
Thank you very much.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Let me take you home.
Thank you.
Hello?
Good afternoon, sir.
Please, give me water. All right. Thank you. Is it? About what I told you, have you thought about it?
See, I didn't think about anything.
Why?
In fact, there is nothing to think about. My going out with you have destroyed my relationship with my guy.
Really? That's very good. It's the handwork of God.
Handwork of who?
God.
It's not any God's handwork. Ima, please stop coming to my shop to buy water. I'm not the only person that is selling water around this area. Stop coming to my shop to buy water, and this will be the last time you come to my shop to buy water. Let this be the last water you buy from my shop.
I am confused here. What, did I do anything to offend you? Did I wrong you? Why are you mad at me? Come on. I mean no offense. I'm sorry. I can see you are very, very pissed off right now. I will let you be, but I promise I'll see you again. Thank you.
Joy killer, what are you doing here?
You've gotten yourself another girl.
Baby, I don't understand. What's this village dirty girl doing here?
She's one beggar like that. I don't know why she has been following me around. Yesterday she begged me for some money. I didn't give her, and now she's here. Why are you here?
Joe.
Eh? I should seek for your permission before getting myself a new girlfriend. As what? Eh?
Joe, please.
As legend of the sick or what?
Joe, please forgive me.
Ha!
Please forgive me. Forgive me.
What? Hey, don't even touch me. What is this?
Joe.
Why are you embarrassed?
He said you should go now. Go now. What do you want? Go.
Look at this. As what?
Joe, please forgive me.
My friend, leave me alone.
Joe,
What are you talking
please
about?
help me beg it. Joe, please.
Beg her for what?
I don't
now?
understand.
Eh?
Begging for what? He said you should go. Can't you hear?
Look at this girl before you now. She's a university product. Turn around, baby. Turn around. Are you seeing her boob? Are you seeing? Very soft. Your own is like ukute. Strong. See her boobs. Soft boobs. Everywhere fresh. Your own is very small like orange. My friend, get her from my house.
I will never go.
You won't go.
You won't go.
No problem.
Don't worry. I will get smart. You lie down there.
Joe, you must forgive me.
Let's go.
Baby, let's go. I beg you. No, look. Let's leave her here. Eh? She after crying. And mourning for yourself. You go to your house. Now girlfriend will try with the boyfriend you support.
I tell you.
Joe, you're leaving me.
No, we are coming back.
Hey! Hey! I'm finished. No, you go follow. Hey!
How many times will my father ask you not to step your feet into this land again, Gift?
But this land belongs to my late father.
Thank God you said your late father. Gift, let me tell you, once my father died, Therefore, this land will be mine. I will have this land all to myself. So, I don't want to see you or this your crocus leg in this land again.
You lie. You are joking. I will keep working on this farm. You and your father won't collect this land from me. It's a lie. Nonsense. Please leave this farm, I beg. Leave now.
Leave. Mr. Wadolo, I will tell my father.
Go and tell me.
Gift. I will tell my father.
I'm not here.
Gift.
Come and tell this land and let me see. Come and tell this land, let me see.
Where is that idiot? Where is that embassy? Where is she? Where is she now? Where is she? Where is that idiot? Where is she? Huh? Look, yes? Look, I warn you severally to keep off from that land. The fly that does not hit your advice always follow the corpse to the grave. If you must know. Keep away from that land, if you must know.
Uncle, that land belongs to my late father.
Meaning what? So you don't know the tradition? Your father did not have a male child, and I'm the younger brother. By right of tradition, that land belongs to me. Because your father did not bear any male child.
Uncle, you lie.
I'm lying. Okay, dear, step into that land again and see what happens to you. Don't let me see you on that land. If I see you there, what happens? You will not believe your eyes. Nonsense.
Uncle, it's my late father's land.
Your late father's land. You are a man, so you don't know the law and tradition of our people. Your father did not bear any male child, so you're a woman. You cannot take over my son brother's property as a woman, right? I own that land by virtue of tradition and culture.
Uncle,
Gift.
Ejike. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Well done, Well done. Gift. I want you to come and work on my farmland. Because how much will it cost?
Okay. Don't worry. I'll come and check on the farmland. Then know how much I will charge you.
So, like, when will you be chance so that you come and see the place?
Maybe when I'm done with the one I'm doing here, I'll come and check on it.
Okay. You're almost done with this one. That means I'll be expecting you soon.
No problem. Maybe later in the evening, then we'll go to the farm.
Just take good care of yourself, okay? When you are chance, I'm always free.
Thank you.
Okay, my dear.
I'll come. We'll go.
Did you see Gift present time? Where must she be going? I wish she have not really joined this bad gang. Because where I'm seeing her now, I don't trust any of her movements.
I don't know.
Please, she's your cousin, am I correct? I care to know. Good evening. What is it?
Uncle.
What is it?
Uncle, please. I've come to beg you to leave my late father's land for me. Uncle, you have lots of land. Eh? Why is that one so important to you?
Just look at this girl. Just look at her. So you have come to question me about your father's land. Don't forget what the culture and tradition states. That when a man dies and have no male child, all the properties should be found to the younger brother, of which moi, I'm the one. Is that okay? So why are you cracking your head over all these things?
Uncle, am I not a woman?
Look,
yeah?
If you don't leave here now, forget my 5 fingers on your face.
Uncle, why you born wow?
Are you mad?
Fear God, Uncle, fear God.
Are you mad?
Hey, I'm not talking to you.
My father asked you to leave this place and stay here.
Look, gift, or what they call you. If you don't take time, I'll forget my 5 or 10 fingers on your face as a trademark for your stubbornness and your stupidity.
Papa, is she still there?
Come out and deal with her. Push her to this place. Look. John, look at her.
She's still there?
Where she's going. Look at her double left-legged. Idiot. Nonsense. Look at what she's going. Come here to warn me against.
Gift.
Ejike.
Here is your 5,000 naira.
Thank you.
It's complete, right?
You didn't even add 500 naira. You know that land is too big. I tried now. Please.
See, I'm giving you this 500 naira because of one thing. It's because you are hardworking.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Gift.
Thank you.
See, any man that gets married to you, that man is a lucky man.
Really?
Yes, sir. You're a very hardworking girl.
Thank you.
Thank you. Don't worry, I'll call you next time if there's another work.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
Such a hardworking young girl.
What's up? Why did you waste time? So. Ayo. Odogu. Aka melego one. Yes. Spend your money. Open for him. Let him come down. How are you? Oh yeah, that's me. Yeah. So there is money. 2 months money. Baby, shake your waist for me now. Shake your waist for me now. That is funny.
Too much money.
What is my name? Too much money. What is my name? Too much money. What is my name? What is my name? What is my name? What is my name? Come on here. What is my name? Too much money. What is my name? Too much money. I can't hear you. Too much money. What is my name?
Too much money.
What is my name?
Too much money.
What is my name?
Too much money.
I can't hear you.
Too much money.
I don't hear you.
Too much money.
I don't hear you.
I said that's too much money. Too much money.
So, back on this money. Burn them.
This one you are running as if you are being chased by a masquerade. What happened?
Ndemoye Fokale masquerade. What I saw is bigger than me.
Yeah?
Gift, guess what? Guess now, guess what?
Now? I'm all ears now.
Gift. I saw your Joe. Joe was entering one fine building with a big car.
Joe? Which Joe? Which Joe are you talking about?
How many Joe do you know? Joe now your ex-boyfriend.
Joe?
Yes.
That is not possible now. Joe that used to come to my shop to beg for money with a car? No. Maybe it's someone's driver or I don't know. But Joe, hey, no, I don't believe you.
Hey, no, don't even go there. You have to believe me. You have to believe me because I even peeped through the building and I saw him spraying money. Ego Ibo. Hey, Joe Ebutegike. Joe has made money.
Wait, maybe it's true. Let's go now.
Go where?
Let's go and find out.
Go where?
Let's go now.
Go where? Let's go. One name, your time has expired though. I thought he's no more your boyfriend now. So why can't you just give me chance? Come on, Mogenaya my way. Now let's go.
Hey, you my friend, Choma. You want? Let's go, please.
You don't like him again now. What is this now?
Please, let's go. Forget
it. This girl.
Now how did they hit that thing? I've been a stone block. You want to spoil person gate? Who you?
I'm your girlfriend.
My girlfriend?
I beg, I want to see your girl. Open gate, I beg.
Wait, my girlfriend. With this in back here.
I beg, open gate, I beg.
My girlfriend. I mean the one where they clear house.
Boss. What allowed you into my compound?
Joe, please calm down. Let's talk now. Let's talk, please. Joe.
Talk about what? Huh? What do you want us to talk about? Isn't it obvious? I am done with you. Alright? Can't you see the handwritings on the wall? I am done with you.
Joe, please now.
It is over.
Joe, you can't leave me.
Shut up. And for your information, I am now too much money. So you don't come to my house and start blabbing. You don't come here and disturb my peace. Chukuma, if you try this nonsense again, consider yourself fired. Now you leave my house.
Joe, please, remember all your promises. Joe, please.
I said leave my house.
Joe, please, you cannot leave me.
Chukuma, I don't know why you allowed this frustrated cannibal to come in here and disturb my peace.
Hey.
Take her out this minute or you lose your job. Get out.
Madam.
Joe, please.
See, hey, respect this young boy.
Joe, please. Joe, please.
Respect your back head now.
Joe, please don't leave. You can't leave this time.
You again. This village fool.
Madam,
So you don't understand simple correct English. Get her from this place.
You want me to? You want them to sack me, madam?
Please.
So you don't understand simple correct English. Get her from this place.
Madam, if I use this machine on you, you will be useless.
Take
it out.
You want boyfriend? Idiot. Imagine the nerve.
Come and take your slippers.
Rubbish. Imagine.
Don't mind them. How are you doing?
That dirty thing.
How are you doing?
Okay.
Stop laughing now.
Okay, sorry. Okay, fine. End of discussion.
Better.
Don't be offended, though. How is your guy? Have you seen him since then?
Which guy? That one. Forget him.
Why?
That one. Imagine I went to his house yesterday. He treated me like an outcast and warned me never to step my feet in his house again. He even warned his gate man never to let me in again.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
That guy is heartless, oh.
Very, very mean.
Hey. My friend, I don't want you to think about this thing. Oh. Don't let it get to you. You want to go? This life, soldier go, soldier come, barrack remains. There are plenty fishes in the river. So let him just go. Don't worry, you will get someone far better than him.
Oh, I'm not him. Just look at my shop. Yeah? Just look at my shop. I am Adago. What if I offended him? Won't he forgive me?
I am Adago, how?
There is nothing in my shop again now. Nothing. It's finished. Joe that I used to give money. Yeah? I fed Joe.
You used to give him money?
Often. 10,000, 5,000, 2,000. I fed Joe.
Hey. Nah, how can you be giving a man money?
If you go, what if I offend him? Yeah? Won't he forgive me?
It's okay because this one you just said now is paining me. Why would you be giving a man money? Why? Can do this your sagi brego gine bunya? Would you have given me? Love again. Okay, look at now. Don't pon again. What kind of love is that? Listen, let me advise you. Don't give any man your money. Yes, I said it. Don't give any man your money.
I will never try.
Men are scum. They will eat your money and run away. I even call you Mugu. Can you imagine?
Hey!
Okay, look at your shop. There's nothing in your shop again. I'm Nipokoronego. Thank God the money that you believe.
What are you doing here? I've warned you from not to stay clear from this land, and you not hit my advice. What are you doing here?
Uncle, this is my father's land now.
Says who? Since your father not bear a male child, this land belongs to me. You understand?
Uncle, you lie! You don't take this land from me! Yes!
I lied!
Yes!
Okay. If I ever find you again, if I ever find you on this land again, you see what? Just promise not be here again. Promise not be here again. Just promise you.
Now wow. Now wow. Hush. This your uncle is very wicked though.
That man is very wicked. He wants to inherit everything my late parents left for me.
It will not work for him. Sorry, only.
Sorry now. Easy now, easy.
Sorry.
It's painful.
Sorry, I just want the pains to reduce. Sorry. Eh? How can a human being do this to you? Sorry. Hi. It's obvious that man wants to kill you. Can you just look at your body?
That man wants to kill me.
Hi.
That man is very, very wicked.
Hey. Wickedness is an understatement. The man is heartless. Can you imagine? Just look at your body. Eh? Sorry now. Sorry.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hi.
It's okay.
I pity you. I pity you, my friend. Hi. This is bad.
Hello.
Good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What happened to your face?
It's an accident, but I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. Gift, I know you hate me, but at least allow me take care of you now. Allow me take you to a pharmacy.
I don't want to go with you.
Gift. How are you?
Good afternoon. Do you know her?
Yes, she's my friend.
Oh, thank God. I've been pleading with her to take her to go see a pharmacist, but she refused.
Really?
She's not fine, and...
Oga, it's okay. Speak no more. You mean you want to take her to a pharmacy?
Yes, I do.
Gift, what is wrong with you? Go with him now so that he will treat you.
I don't want to go with him.
Come on, Gift. You need to see a pharmacist, trust me.
Oga, don't listen to my friend. She can be very stubborn. Yes, I know her very well. She needs help.
She does. I mean, look at her face. She does. She does need help.
Gift, what is your problem? You your house. You just treat him anyhow. Oga, don't mind her. She will go. Okay, don't worry. I'll go with you. Oga, she needs help. Don't look at her face. Come, let's go.
No, I understand.
As if you have the money to treat yourself. You are here doing it, don't want to.
Okay, come on.
Oga, don't worry. Come, let's go.
All right.
Who was that guy that came to visit you yesterday?
Oh, Emma? That one. He's the one Joe said I was cheating on him with.
Eh? Are you serious?
Chioma.
That man is so nice, so cute. Do you like him?
Like I don't like him. It's the reason Joe broke up with me. I don't like him. Why are you laughing now?
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? So you're trying to tell me now that if he asks you out, you're not going to accept?
I won't to. Though he asked me out, I rejected his offer. He wanted to marry me. Yeah, I don't like him. He's too old for me. I don't like him.
He's too old by me. Have you forgotten that many girls love them old?
And you like them old?
I didn't say so. But I'm just saying, I think you should give him a trial since Joe has broken up with you.
I don't have his time. I don't even like him.
Unspiritually balanced human being that wants to harass my gate. Eh?
This is my
Your guy go inside.
Yes, indeed. What's happening?
I want to open your gate.
Calm down now. Now you want to open the gate.
Open your gate, I want to.
See, your life dey like this. You no go fight for this people. No cross that gate.
Who's that at the gate?
I want fine package that young girl like that.
She doesn't have a name?
You just fine, don't know her name.
Let her in.
Madam.
I mean, they talk to like that.
Madam, where the mat?
I mean, they do that one.
Madam, take time. I don't even know whether I don't go shy yourself.
Good afternoon, Joe.
Good afternoon. Chuguma, back to your duty post immediately. Good afternoon, young lady.
I came to see you for something very important.
Came to see me for something very important.
Yes.
Your face looks familiar. Do I know you?
Joe, are you the one asking me this? You mean you don't know me again? I'm your girlfriend's friend, Gift.
Gift. Point of correction. Gift is my ex. She was my ex. And I have a new woman in my life. And what is that your name again? I have forgotten.
Hey! You don't know my name again, Joe? You don't know Chioma?
Oh. You know, I am too much money. Do you know what too much money means? Too much money means that The one you can't see. The money you can't see but only imagine. So that is what too much money means. So if you're standing before too much money, you have to comport yourself. Okay, so you will not lose guard and fall off balance.
Okay, too much money.
Shoma, yes. When I remember you, well, you're not looking bad and you look good. So to what do I owe this visit?
Thank you very much. I came on behalf of my friend Gift. Hold
it. Like I said before, Gift was my past. She was my ex. I don't have any business with her again. It is over between Gift and I. It is over, and I have a new life and a new wife and a new woman. Didn't she tell you what transpired between us?
She did, but Joe, you are getting everything all wrong. It's not what you think. That's why I'm here to explain things to you. Just give me a listening ear, please.
Well, I don't have that
Gift
kind of time. If she sent you here to talk to me, tell her I didn't see me.
No, she didn't send me. Oh, I came on my own. I just want you both to reconcile. Choma. Gift is a very nice person. She's not what you think. Please.
The only reason I'm allowing you standing in front of my house and saying these jargons is because I'm in my good mood today. Eh? If not, you would have regret ever coming here. Leave my house this minute.
I should leave.
Chukuma, come here. Take this girl out of my house this minute. I give you just 15 seconds. If she's still here, consider yourself fired.
You don't want to give me a listening ear.
Your data don't finish now.
Are you mad? What's your problem? You don't want to give me a listening ear.
I said in the next 15 minutes.
Your data don't expire.
Push her out of this house. Are you stupid?
You want me to push you?
If you touch me, I swear I will land you a very heavy slap on your cheek. You are stupid.
Okay, your data don't finish.
Like boss, like this man. You don't have.
You go try make it the boss.
So because you feel you now.
Come and go now.
Because you feel you now.
Come, you have the wrong money.
Somebody anyhow. You don't know when Gift was feeding you. You don't know when Gift was giving you money. You don't know when Gift was clothing you, giving you money, giving you food. Now you have money, you have a house. You now think you can talk to somebody anyhow. My God will judge you.
God, and you too.
Stupid black man.
And you too.
Good. Open this door for me, let me go. Open this door for me, let me go. Open this door. Touch me now. No, touch me. Touch me now.
I can see you have grand
Come on, get away. I don't blame you because of this rubbish house. That's why you have the mouth to talk.
His boss,
Gift was my past. You don't know when Gift was feeding you, giving you
money.
Are you stupid? You don't know when Gift was giving you money, giving you food, giving you everything you want. Now because you feel you have arrived, Gift was my ass. This one is fucking rubbish.
Let me. I don't blame you. He's my boss. You are the driver. That's the point. He's my boss, you're a driver. Now you wait up and go find him. I
thought I gave you 15 seconds.
No, the 15 seconds has expired, so I have pushed her as before. It was 14 seconds. 14 and 13 seconds. Hey! Where is that guy? Don't fire you. Now you make her give me this guy's slap. Have you? Okay? It's not better for you, that girl. Whether they are not Nashama, I mean, Nkechi. Okay, now you slap, so. Now you slap so 15 seconds, 30 slaps. You sound fair. I go make money soon.
Bye. You not buy something today? Okay. We have onions, so we have rice. Okay, later. Where is this girl now?
Tell me, Alpha. Hope you saw something.
Don't sell anything, no.
Didn't sell anything.
Why did you waste time?
Sorry, Sorry. I need to collect my money. Hi.
No problem.
So no market?
No market at all.
Hi, you see? That's why I used to do all this mina job in order to feed.
Maybe all your customers went for holidays today.
Maybe.
That's by the way. Let me gist you.
On your gist. One now.
I went to see your boyfriend. Guess what that guy did? What? Hey. Joe warned me never to mention your name to him again. Can you imagine? Girl, that guy never loved you at all. Don't go there, because the way that guy was speaking to me with anger, you need to see the fire in his eyes. He say, do not mention Gift's name in my house again. This one, get out of my house. Blah, blah, blah. Right. Are you sure that guy ever loved you at all? That guy never loved you from day one.
Ozugo, it's okay. Since Joe have made up his mind to leave me, so be it. Yes.
Hey, are you the one saying this?
I'm even tired of begging him.
So finally, you're moving on. Hey, my girlfriend, we what? We move. We move. Don't worry, God will give you a better man. My girlfriend, you're a very nice person. You don't use all this chewing gum ball. Gift. Oinyechi. What is wrong with you? Since I came here, you've not talked to me. Your face is not even good. What is the problem?
Choma, please leave me. I'm not in the mood to talk right now.
You must be in the mood to talk, because you can't tell me that you're not in the mood to talk. I know that something is bothering you. Something is really eating you up. And you must share it with me because I'm your friend. Yes. So start talking now. What is the problem?
It's not that my wicked uncle.
Hey,
yeah?
What did he do this time?
He warned me never to step my foot on my late father's land again.
Why is that man wicked?
Moreover, that land has lots of palm tree there that can fetch me money. Rather, he prefers me suffering and also working on people's farm to feed.
You just have to calm down, Gift. I understand. Just calm down. Everything will be fine.
How I wish I was never born into this family. I swear. Chioma, you don't know what I'm passing through in this family.
I know. That's why you need to calm down. Have you eaten at all?
I'm not hungry.
Don't worry, come, let's go to my house.
Rich man they clear grass? No. Rich man they mow the block? No. Na two head for bring. I don't say na so the work go be. Na two head for bring. If I don't say na so the work go be, na two head for bring. Yeah, look at mad people everywhere. Nonsense, idiots, rubbish. Just look at that. Please, let's just walk. Tomorrow we'll come. We'll try to burn all these ones. Thank you, Papa. Let's just walk and go.
So this my uncle. This my uncle later claimed my only father's land, my only inheritance. This man is very wicked. This man that called himself Ikpasu. Ikpasu, you are very wicked. So you claimed my land. This my uncle is very wicked. Ikpasu, you've claimed all the land my late parents left for me. Look at me here now. Working on people's farm in order to feed. This man wants me to die. And I don't want to live. I want to die. This my uncle wants me to die of hunger. I want to even die. What am I living for? I want to die. But no longer walking again. I'm going.
Your ex-boyfriend?
So is Joe, eh?
That's
not Joe! Jai, this boy is not nice. This boy is wicked.
Joe nearly ran you over because he feels he now has money. Obutegi Kendi Pentecost. Now he wants to run you over. Joe. My God will judge him. Joe, my God will judge you.
My aunt Joe, you want to kill me.
Can you imagine?
Pass you. Forget him. Let's go, please. Let's go.
I don't believe this one. I don't. Change. I'll cook jollof rice today with good and soft. Mama, I will eat too. I know, hunger don't kill you.
Now stop insulting me, eh?
Here comes your co-wife.
Which co-wife? See, Mandy, I don't like that. Respect yourself. If that is a joke, stop it, please. What's that?
That is Joe's new girlfriend.
Which of them? The short fair one?
Yeah, the fair one.
Yeah!
Who is it? Who just eat?
So someone cannot eat again in peace because Her Royal Majesty is passing.
Joya, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Please. Nonsense.
So, you have the mind to eat at me?
Yes, I do. So I cannot eat because of you.
Look at this gold digger, this fool. Hey. You won't mind your business.
How dare you insult my friend? You over-bleached Mbweke. Are you mad? Have you lost it?
Sweetheart.
Have you lost it?
I am not talking to you.
Sweetheart, yourself. Forget me. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Leave me. What will you do? It's okay. Leave her. Leave me. Stupid set of girls. Idiot. Gonna fire all of you. Leave me. It's okay. Leave me. Hey, you will leave me that thing. It's okay. Let them carry their wallet. How did you show why not Baba in a brain? What is it then?
Chioma, you wouldn't have separated us. I wanted to teach that idiot a lesson. I wanted to show her that it's not by height, not by size.
Aguba, Kiliwe Wachuku. Now let me ask you, what would I have done? Oh, I should have stood there and watched you girls fight. Is that what you want? Now let me ask you, what if she had beaten you blue and black? What would you have done?
She cannot beat me. You know me now. You know me. Hey! Fighter!
I'm not the girl that was fighting you earlier. Oh. I'm the anger nisi. Can you imagine? Come, give.
Hey, so this girl fought me because of Joe. My own Joe. Eh? Just because Joe supported her the last time we fought. I gave her the nerve to fight me whenever she sees me. Hey! Gift, you suffer. But come to think of it, why all this hatred? Why all this maltreatment here and there? Eh? KFML, what have I done? Eh? Hey!
Yes, I will answer that question for you.
Uncle?
Yes, I will answer the question for you. So you don't know they are a cursed child? Huh? You killed your parents. And what are you saying here?
Uncle, stop it. I didn't kill my parents.
Other girls like you brings fortune to the family. Why yours is always misfortune? You are cursed. You killed your parents. You must know.
Uncle, I didn't kill my parents.
Oh, you didn't kill your parents? Okay, you are saying this. Look, very soon I will come and pull you to this house. Then let me see where you lays your filthy head.
Uncle, please don't claim this house too, please. Uncle,
shut up there! Nonsense. After killing your parents and you keep on bringing misfortune into this family, you are saying, very soon I will change that to this house. Very soon, don't worry.
Uncle.
Sorry, what happened? What happened to you? Did you engage yourself in the fight? Huh? What happened? I said, did you engage yourself in the fight? What happened to you? Why are all these bruises?
Isn't one stupid girl? One stupid idiot girl that fought her in the market.
A girl?
Yes.
Fought my woman at the market. Wait, who's that?
It's not that dirty, stupid girl that used to come here.
Wait. You mean Gift did this to you?
I don't know her name. I don't care to know her name. That useless girl that always come here to beg you money. I don't know her.
Hold on, Gift had the guts to do this to my woman. Alright, no problem. We shall see. Maybe just come.
Look at my face.
It's okay. You'll be fine. Okay, you'll be fine. Just come with me. Come with me. It's fine. Let's go. No problem.
My leg is
Sorry. Try. Chukuma, open the gate. Bring her along. Stop crying. It's okay. Sorry. I will handle it. Okay? I will handle this. Open the gate.
I'm back strong. Big this yellow sissy. Back on yellow sissy. Will you put pepper? You know better. Let me go back to my.
What gave you the morale, the impetus to touch my woman? You don't have respect again anymore, right?
Joe, she started it.
She started it, and you fought her.
And now?
And you did all this to her.
Can you imagine my face, baby? This witch.
Don't you know she's my woman?
I'm also your
woman. My friend, let me hear what?
This is the idiot that did this to you, right?
Look at my face now, look at my fine face.
Why
this fool.
Did you touch my woman? I have told you countless times that I don't have anything to do with you anymore. I am done with you. Leave my woman. Can't you read my lips? I said I am done with you. What can't you understand? Huh? I don't love you anymore. Stay clear from my woman. Am I understood? I don't want to repeat myself again before they say that I like looking for trouble. I like staying in my lane. But I don't know why people will start bugging and disturbing me. The next time I will see you close to my woman again, then you will know that there is a difference between the king of this village and Joe Too Much Money. I don't want to repeat myself again. Stay away from my woman. Let's go.
Are you serious? This girl did not open shop today. She's not even at home. This one she locked her door. That means she went foul. Gift. Gift. Gift! Then wait for her. She's going to come back later. Gift, what is wrong with you? Shama, since when you're lying down here, what's the problem? Hey! My goodness, your body is hot, oh. Have you taken any medication?
I don't have strength to give
Hey,
you.
Gift. Okay. Do you have any money? Let me help you and get drugs.
Yes. Just go inside. You'll see my papa type.
Hey. So you'll be fine, okay? Let me go and get you drugs. I'm coming, okay? I'm coming.
Good afternoon, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine. I want to buy rice.
Rice?
Yes.
How many cups?
2 cups of rice.
How is your mother?
She's fine. And onions.
Onions?
Yes, 2. Do I have pepper?
No.
Pepper market.
It's finished. I need to go to the market. Please, I don't have black nylon. I have to manage it. Okay?
Finish the onions.
The onions is 14 naira.
The rice.
Rice is 100 naira.
You don't have change.
I don't have change. I'll come back. I'll give you that.
Fine girl. Are you still angry with me? Oh yeah, sorry now. Cool down now. I'm not I'm not your boyfriend. Calm down. Oh yeah, sorry now. Sorry now. Are you still angry with me?
See, Choma, I'm not angry with you. See, I'm just tired of this life. I just feel like dying. I want to die.
It's again.
I want to die. I want to die.
You want to die? No one talk a sugar. You want to die?
See, Choma, you won't understand.
Why would you even open your mouth and say that you want to die? Eh? Don't you know that your condition is better than some people's own? At least you have a shelter to lay on, have food to eat, and you open your mouth to say you want to die. Under the bridge, stop saying this thing you are saying, please. Gibbs, I understand. But just know that with time, everything will turn around for good.
You think so?
Yes. I don't want you to be feeling this way. Seriously. Don't worry, okay? I am smile now. Bobby, name me going on wow. Oh my goodness. I actually came to discuss something with you.
What? Talk now. What?
I'm going to the city. Yes, my uncle wants to take me to the city so that I can start my jam blessing.
Ah, Choma, you too. You want to leave me?
Hey, see, Gift.
Everybody wants to leave. You two want to leave me
to Gift. It's not like that. It's not what you think. Okay, listen. It's not like I'm leaving you. Yes, I just want to go to the city and better my life. Yes, I want to go to higher institution. I don't want to be a village champion forever. Please now, don't feel this way.
You're leaving me.
Don't worry. I'll be coming to see you from time to time.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. You're doing like a banje. Oh yeah, sorry. Don't worry, I'll be calling you. I'll be coming to see you whenever I'm free.
Okay, what do you want? You want biscuit? with this money. Yes, I need to. Peace now. Choma. Please, send me the address to your house. It's urgent. Please. Now. I'll be waiting.
Carrying all these bags. Are you staying for too long?
No, I'm not staying long.
Okay.
Please help me. No, carry some.
Hey, Gift. How on earth did you get that kind of money? Gift, don't tell me you're still stealing. I'm not banging with Oshi. When did this start now? Did you rob a bank?
Down now.
Oh yeah, start explaining because I need some explanation. So feel free to explain. In fact, start explaining now because I need some explanation. Start talking.
Okay, no problem.
We go leave am for here now. In the night we go come pick am.
No leave am for here now. It's okay for here now.
Leave waiting. This money we will suffer for here. You know chase where Kelebe chase us. We die. We will guide this money for this night.
You go wait. Make boss talk. Oh.
The money remains here. I believe this is one of the safest places in this village. Lion.
Boss.
Vuga.
Boss.
Later at night, you guys should come pick it up.
Okay, boss.
And bring it to my bunk.
Okay, boss.
We have to act smart. We have to be diligent.
Yes, boss.
Now I want you all to go to your various houses. Act as if nothing happened.
Okay, boss.
Okay?
Okay, boss.
Use your 24.
For sure.
What did I say?
24.
Use your 24.
Use your 24.
So
use your 24.
No addition.
So later at night, you can bring the money to my zanga. Hear me?
Okay, boss.
We move.
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 We move. We move. We move. We move. We move.
We move.
Money? Eh? Hey, here you go.
Hey! Are you serious? Yes, so. Gift, you don't make am. God don't butter your bread. Gift, you don't make am for this life.
Yes. Oh, thank you very much.
Are you serious? Yes. Hey, look at my friend though. Gift, you don't make am. Hey, I'm happy for you, Gift.
Thank you very much.
Jesus Christ. Are you serious?
Gifty. Alpha. Show me Alpha.
I do. I want to discuss something with you.
What is it?
I'll be going to the village tomorrow.
What is it?
I will be coming back in a week time.
In a week time?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
I just... how are you going to cope? This one I will not be around for a week.
I'll be fine. Since your uncle is comfortable with me, I'm okay.
Are you sure? It's alright. Don't you have any message for your uncle?
Which uncle? I don't have any message for him.
Gifty?
I said I don't have any message for him.
Yeah. Hey, the matter is serious. What about your shop?
Okay, about that shop. I don't like that shop. That shop is too small for me. I need a bigger one.
Money woman. If someone sees you now, they will know that you are in money. They will think you are one local poor girl. They will know that you have so much money now. When will you even change this your looks? Used to Guinea. Baby girl, you are now in the city. You need to shop. You need some shopping. You need to buy hairs. Look good. So you attract all these rich guys.
I know. You help me. You teach me how to do all these things now.
I don't think you want to marry a rich guy. Don't think because you have money now, you don't need a rich guy. My dear, you need a rich guy in your life. So you need to package yourself.
I came to this town, see big, fine building. I've never set my eyes on them. Oh God.
Money is not in these guys.
Oh, Jehovah.
How are you? Are you not Gift's friend?
Yes, Nai. I'm Gift's friend.
Oh, it's been long. Where have you been?
Nai, I now stay in the city with my uncle.
Ah, you now stay in the city?
Yes, Nai.
Living on this old village. Please, did you see your friend? She's been out from the house for a long time. Without telling anybody where she was going.
Don't worry, Nai. I know wherever she is right now.
Huh?
She's doing perfectly well for herself.
You know where she is? Please, where could she be now?
I don't really. In fact, she now stays with us in the city. Huh? Yeah, she stays with my uncle. In fact, we all live together. We live in the same house.
Come, my daughter. You mean she now stays with you in the city?
Yes, with my uncle. All of us, we stay in the same house.
Oh, look. Don't your uncle know that she's an evil girl? She's a cursed girl? And your uncle have signed death warrant by so doing. I pray fervently that she will not infect your uncle with misfortune.
Nai, I don't know why you're saying all of this. Like, I don't understand. But let me tell you, in fact, let me shock you. Your niece is doing very well in the city. In fact, as I speak to you right now, Gift is very rich. She is rich. In fact, she can buy this whole village with her money. That's what I'm telling you. She's very rich now. I don't know why you're always criticizing her, calling her names, calling her evil child, this, that. But sorry to disappoint you. I don't need your advice. Since Gift has been with us in the city, she has not inflicted us with any pain, misfortune, or whatever you call it. Please, keep your advice to yourself. I don't need it tonight.
I've heard you. Do not say I've not warned you and your uncle.
No, we don't
need it.
Do
not say I've not warned you.
We don't need it tonight.
That child is an evil child. She's a cursed child.
You can never change. Try and change.
Do not say I didn't warn you and your uncle.
Please tell her that I'm still her brother.
My friend, let's go. Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Let's go. Wait. Could this girl be correct? That Gift is not a wealthy person? No, I don't believe it. Girl is cursed. She's cursed. How come about she has turned into money and become a very rich person? I don't believe that girl. She's talking trash. Don't believe it. But children of this day, they could be so heartless in terms of money pursuits. Yes. Gift is now in the city, where so many social vices takes place in terms of money pursuits. Maybe she has stumbled into those kind of money ritual or whatever to actually get this money. Well, I know she's a very mean human being, mannerless human being. Okay, let us watch and see how it goes.
heard about gift. Hey. Who is gift? Gift's now your ex-girlfriend. Do you know that Gift is not a big girl? She have houses, cars.
Wait. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Baby, I'm sure. I was so surprised. Gift. Old, dirty Gift. Hey, God, this life can change.
Where did you see her?
I saw her the other day now. I saw her the other day at the market. She was, God, if you see this car, baby. Hey, God, if you see car, gift of all people with a car. Baby, I couldn't believe it all. Even the villagers are even talking about it. I'm surprised you have not even heard about it.
Gift. How come?
I don't know. Baby, I don't know. I'm even shocked myself when I saw her. Hey, God, Gift.
No, that can't be.
Baby, that's it. I saw her. If I didn't see her now, I would be saying, I saw Gift with my 2 eyes. Everybody, Gifts.
Okay, it's all right. Let's take more pictures. Yeah.
Maybe gift though. Gift. Eh? Okay.
Yes, that's the Mr. Joe.
Mr. Joseph, right? My name is Joe. Too much money. How can I help you, Mr. Man, and what are you doing in my house?
Okay, fine. I am Inspector Ibe. You are needed at the police station for an interrogation.
Officer?
What is it? Titi, it's Joe. Joe? The police just arrested Joe.
How? What happened?
I wouldn't know.
Which police station?
Let's go, please. What's his son? Keep all these things now, let's go. There's no time. Be fast, oh, where are you now? Come on,
Maybe as you can see, I'm not fine.
My God.
I am dying, yeah.
Look at your face.
Ow.
Sorry. So, when are they going to release you now?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. I am tired of being here. I'm tired of staying here. These people, they are requesting for too much money.
How much?
The money is too much. It's too much. They say they need 10 million naira.
Yeah, boy. 10 million naira. That's much. But baby, you have up to that in your account, right?
That is the problem right now. They blocked my account.
Jesus.
Yes. You know, I tried calling my account manager to tell him to send some money to them. But he said that they have blocked it and he can't do anything about it. I'm so frustrated. I just want to leave this place.
This is serious. This is a big problem. Baby, what are we going to do?
I don't know, please. If there's anything you can do to take me out from here, I will appreciate that. I am tired, I am starving here. I don't want to die here, please. Oh.
What kind of temptation is this? Why now? Baby, don't worry. You're going to be fine, okay? Don't worry.
I just
Not reachable. Why now? No. Jesus. Okay. Let me check.
Titi, what is it?
Chemaka, it's Joe. I don't know what to do.
Joe. What about him?
Hey, Chemaka, that case is very strong. Hey, they asked me to get 10 million naira.
10 million naira?
10 million naira? How am I supposed to get 10 million? Where? From where? I don't...
10 million naira? He has the money now, so that one is not a problem.
Which money? So you have no heard that they have blocked his account? Hey!
Yay!
You're talking about money.
Hey! Wala deo. Isobo dekwa. Hey! But you, is it that he does not have anybody to bail him out? Like his parents, friends, relatives, nobody?
You see, Joe's parents don't have anything. They are broke. They don't have money. So we can't even call the parents. I don't even know any of them. I don't even...
What about his ex? Gift now. You know that girl has money now. She's very rich. Eh?
Why are you talking like this? Did you know what we did to that girl? That girl will not send us. Please. Don't go there. Gift.
I know.
No,
but I'll advise you talk to Joe. He should go and beg her. I believe she can be of help.
Gift. No.
Think about it now. Eh? Gift. This is the only option we have, oh. This is the only option we have, please. Just think about it. Joe Sugar, there's nothing there now. Again, no kwaneba.
No worry, no problem now. I will talk to Joe.
Please do talk to him. Just say sorry. That is it.
It's a good idea.
It's
your brain. Chiamaka.
Why am I your friend now? I'm always here to give you.
Good afternoon. Who are you? And how may I help you?
So we are good friends.
His friend.
Yes, sir.
Don't you know her house? That's the building there. Checked on her there. She doesn't live here.
Actually, sir, we misplaced her number. We went to her house. There's no one there. So we decided to come meet you if you can help us with her number.
I don't have the number either. Okay. Let me see if my son have the number. Kashi?
Yes, Papa.
Please come. Do you have a gift number, phone number?
I don't have a number.
I mean, your cousin. Don't you have a number?
Yes, Papa. I don't have a number. I'm also looking for a number too, Papa.
As you can see, he doesn't have the number either. So, okay, please try the next door if somebody can have it. Right? Is that okay? And peradventure you have the number, please. Let me also have it so I'll keep it for record.
The number, no, need the number.
Kashi.
Yes, Papa.
Let me go and see a friend there.
Okay.
Take care of the house. I'll make sure my food is ready before I come back. All right.
Okay, Papa.
Wow, Joe. How are you doing? See, I came to inform you that I'll be going to the city to see Gift. I called her and she sent me her address. Really? Yes. How did you get her number? She used to call me to report you to me, so I saved the number. Thank you very much. I just pray she listens to you.
Yeah, I pray so too. I believe she will.
Keje ni mane dan nan. Well, who you be abeg?
My name is Sammy.
Sammy. Oh, okay, the guy now. Who you dey look for here?
Be open gate. I want to see your madam. Ah.
Madam can. I'm back. She give you invitation.
Open gate. I want to see your madam.
Now one man he say in there na Sammy.
Oh, Sammy.
Yeah.
Give.
Take that. You don't do that. Hey, the uncle man about. Wait, see madam.
Give.
Sammy.
Wow.
Sammy. Ah.
I
know him. You can go.
This is wonderful.
Come on for here now.
Now. Who, sir? I leave.
Hey, how are you?
Sammy meets my friend.
Oh, my name is Sam.
Sharon. Oh my God. You know why? Jesus.
This morning is good. I can testify.
He's God, though. He's not my good. So, how you doing?
I'm fine, as you can see.
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay. Actually, I'm here for something very important, and I won't take much of your time. Gift, I know I'm not supposed to be telling you this, but it's about your friend. Yes, your boyfriend, Joe.
Joe, what happened to him? Is he dead?
No, far from that. He was arrested by the police, and they're asking for 10 million naira for his bailout. So, I don't know if you can help him.
I should help who? No, Sammy.
Gift, calm down.
Wait, let me talk to him. Can you just hear yourself? I should help Joe. Hey! After all Joe has done to me, and you expect me to help him. Sorry, Sammy, to disappoint you. I can't help him.
Gift, I know you used to listen to me. Okay? To err is human, and to forgive is divine. All you can do at this time is to forgive and move on. Please.
Oh my God. Sammy, please. Please and please. As you can see, I'm going out. I don't know if you can come some other time. Thank you. Sure.
Alright, so I will take care of it now.
But you just need to let go, please.
Please, I can't.
Calm down. You just need to
After
let
all
go.
this guy has done to me, and you, please,
I know.
don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, please, Sharon. Please, don't get me angry.
Then calm down, okay?
You see, I will leave Joe to die in cell.
No, you don't have to do that. Calm down.
Joe, I will never forgive
It's
him.
okay. Calm down.
Please, let's go inside.
Sure. Let's go.
We forgive Joe. Hey. Okay.
Make call. You get connect, you get contact.
I don't have contact. You see, Gift, I believe in you. Without you, it's going to be difficult for me. Please, I don't want to rot in jail. Help me. Pity me. Please.
If you were in my shoe, what will you do?
Oh
onye